Okay, if we have a look at our web page now, we'll see that all the edges are somewhat square, and if you have a look at the example here, we've rounded the borders on the images and also on the top left and top right of this element as well. So we're going to go ahead and do that in CSS. We're in the head, the style type of CSS, and we're going to go to this top tag here. The first thing that we're going to do then is going to add a border, and it's the top right, and we're going to add a radius of 10 pixels. We're also going to do the same to the top left, so I'm just going to copy and paste that. Just change this to left, and we'll save this here. Yeah. Now if we run that and launch in Chrome, what you should see is that the top left and right now have these rounded edges. You may also wish to do the same to your images, so let's go ahead and add that in. Now this gets a bit more complex because we have our images within a class called rhyme. So in order to refer to those images, we have to dot rhyme, which refers to the class, and then we do image, which is referring to the actual tag. That's these image tags here. Once we've done that, we'll open our brace. We've got a closed brace there, and we're just going to set the border radius once again. This time we're not going to specify top left or top right because we're going to do it to all the borders, and we're going to set it to 10 pixels. If we save that and run it, launch it in Chrome, we'll notice that we now have these rounded edges on our images. The last thing that we might want to do is just resize our images because they're inconsistent. One is taller than the other, and we'll go for consistency of height in this case rather than consistency of width. An easy way to do this is simply in the rhyme image reference. We're also just going to add a height, and we might set that height to say 300 pixels. And if we save that, run it, launch it in Chrome, then what we should see is now our images are exactly the same height, and also we've got our rounded borders as well. If you want to just add a bit of room at the bottom, you could, for example, make this section taller. We can do that in here. So in the bottom, we might say the height of the whole element is, say, 1000 pixels. Save that, run it, launch in Chrome, and now we have all this space underneath. But it's up to you how you want the size to be. What will actually happen is the overflow should be managed automatically. Just do overflow auto. What this does is if we add more elements, so more images in, they'll automatically fall into shape into the two columns as well. Save, run, launch in Chrome. Yeah, so you've got like a bit of space there as well. And that's it.